Welcome to our video on how to plank your way to a flat belly. Planking is a simple yet effective exercise that targets the abdominal muscles and helps to reduce belly fat. In this video, we're going to show you how to properly perform the plank, give you some variations to keep things interesting and challenging, and share some tips and tricks for maximizing the benefits of planking for reducing belly fat. Step 1. Basic plank. The first step in reducing belly fat with the plank is to master the basic plank position. Begin on your hands and knees, with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. From there, straighten your arms and legs, so that your body forms a straight line from your head to your toes. This is the basic plank position. Make sure to engage your core and keep your neck and spine in alignment as you hold the plank for 10 to 15 seconds. Step 2. Plank variations. Once you've mastered the basic plank, it's time to add some variations to challenge your core in different ways. One variation is the side plank, which targets your obliques. To perform a side plank, simply rotate your body to the side and stack your feet one on top of the other. Another variation is the knee to elbow plank, which targets your rectus abdominis. To perform a knee to elbow plank, bring one knee up towards your elbow, then switch sides. Step 3. Tips and tricks for reducing belly fat. There are several tips and tricks you can use to maximize the benefits of planking for reducing belly fat. One tip is to make sure you are engaging your core throughout the entire plank. This will help to activate the abdominal muscles and burn more calories. Another tip is to focus on breathing deeply and evenly while planking. This will help to increase blood flow and oxygen to the abdominal muscles, making the exercise more effective. It's also important to vary the duration and intensity of your planks as you progress to keep challenging your body. You can try increasing the hold time or adding in more challenging variations, like the side plank or knee to elbow plank. Additionally, it's important to maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle to support weight loss goals. Incorporating a balanced diet and regular physical activity can help you to achieve a flatter belly. Step 4. Incorporate planking into your workout. To see the best results, it's important to incorporate planks into your overall workout routine. Aim to perform planks at least 3 times a week, and gradually increase the hold time and difficulty level as you get stronger. Wow, we've covered a lot of information on how planking can help you burn belly fat. We've shown you the basic plank position, some variations to keep things interesting and challenging, and some tips and tricks to maximize the benefits of planking. Remember, it's important to engage your core, keep your neck and spine in alignment, and gradually increase hold time as you get stronger. And don't forget to incorporate planks into your overall workout routine, and maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle to support weight loss goals. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. And if you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great tips and tricks on how to get a flat belly. We would love to have you as a part of our community, and we'll be sure to keep you updated on the latest and greatest ways to burn belly fat and get the body you've always wanted. Thanks for watching.